All right, guys, I'm finally back after what, a month. I had some issues with my computer and I wasn't able to make videos for a little while, but got that all taken care of. I don't understand how that's playing while I'm recording. It's never done that before, but yeah, so today's just really just gonna be a vlog. As you can see, my car's filthy, so I'll show you what I do for a quick wash. I was gonna do a full detail, but I have somewhere to be at 5. It's 2:14. I don't see myself getting that done and being ready and on time. So I've got my Meguiar's wheel cleaner, a $5 bill, and some gas. So I'll head to the car wash and then we'll get started, guys. Peace. Alright, so that's all done. Normally I would hand dry my car, but I pulled a rookie, or I made a rookie mistake and I didn't wash any of my towels or microfiber cloths. So I'm gonna drive this bad baby and dry her off, which is just as fun. Alright, so it's the next day, and this is the results I got just using a microfiber cloth and some Waterless washing wax, and then the coverall for the wheels. Don't need much. I think it came out pretty good. If you guys got any questions or if you got any ideas of what you want to see next, just let me know. I'll see you on the next one.